Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today we are going to talk on how to change language in Android phone. So basically it is very simple. So all you need to do guys is just to follow these steps in order for you to be successful in changing your language. Alright? So the first thing you need to do guys is go to your setting. You can access your setting when you're going to swipe your phone from the upper right part like that and click this icon. Alright, so like that. So there is another way also in looking for the setting. So just look for the app and go to setting. Alright, so since we are going to change the language in our phone, so all we need to do is to look for a language. So in this phone, we can find the language in the additional settings like that and click language and region. Alright, so as you can see guys here, the default language is English. So when we want to change the language to be used in the system of our phone, just click this edit. Alright, so as you can see, there are a lot of languages to be used. Okay, so let's say for example we are going to use this Filipino. So as you can see, there is a plus sign at the right part of the screen. Just click it, plus, and it says here set Filipino as the default system language. So if you want to change it from English to Filipino, then you may click yes, but if you don't want to, just click no, or you can even cancel it. Alright, so just let us click this yes since we want to show you on how to change the language. Click yes, and as you can see, the word here is i-edit. So it is a Filipino language like that, Wika at Rehiyon. Alright, so let's look for another word here. So you can see it, these are the Filipino words. Alright, so let's go back to the language. Alright, so let's default or select default this English again. Alright, so like that one, language and region. So from English to Filipino, and then we from the Filipino after we change it from Filipino to English now. Alright, so there you go. This is on how to change language in Android phone. So if you want to know on how to change language in Android phone, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to change language in Android phone, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!